Hi everybody, so today I wanted to do a little start to finish here, not a tutorial much because I've never made one of these before, although I have made globe shaker things before, but this is the first time I'm going to do one for Halloween. And I just thought I would just record my process, you know, my thinking. I sort of planned it out, which I never really do in my life. Anyway, so Dollar Tree has these really cute ornament jars that you just unscrew and do something in here. So I'm going to try something. And then from Joann's, I picked up these black and orange trees. I only need the one. And also from Joann's, I picked up one little figure, and I'm going to use him. And I have this bundle of felt from Target, which was wrapped around with this, and I'm going to save this, so because I don't have any black felt, although I had some. I don't know where it went. I think I just got rid of it. And I'm going to use it to put inside here. And then I also pulled out this to go here. Even though it's a little thin, I'm probably just going to scrunch it, like maybe, I don't know, we're going to see. I've got more stuff that I can use, but I haven't pulled everything out. So, and I also, for the filler, just a little bit of stuff to throw in there to shake. I have this sequence, which I think I got from Target, and they're little hearts, glitter hearts. And then I also got this one, which is also probably from Target, and it's kind of like glitter, like big chunky ones. I was thinking of throwing in a little bit of gold, and this is just champagne crushed glass glitter. I just like how it's thick and it's not gonna, hopefully not stick to the sides. And then I got this, which again, I don't know if I'm gonna use, but just for a little more shine. We'll see. It's kind of like a snow globe, but for Halloween. So, I'm gonna just put this aside for now. I already kind of figured out if this was going to fit and close. It does. You do have to kind of squish or cut a little bit of the tree on the side here so everything kind of just fits in there, because this has got a, you know. And what I'm gonna do, I don't know how well that's gonna be, but I can't tell how far. I want to say that this goes all the way down to the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I took a white gel pen and just traced this, but I have to cut it smaller than that. And I'll probably need a couple because I kind of want to raise it up a bit. I do have my glue gun on, and we're just going to glue it in there, hot glue it, so we'll see what happens. And again, it's not all the way thought out. Okay, so now I have a little, you know, raised like pedestal, which Yep, it fits in there. So what we're gonna do is, I think, I want to make sure that it goes in even. So I gotta make sure that it's perfect in there. I'm just gonna put a whole lot of glue. And make sure there's no fibers. And get it centered. So hopefully I got this centered. I think so. Then we're gonna glue this guy down. And I'm gonna have to cut or take this off because this is in the way. Or lean him up a little bit because it just doesn't fit. Let's see if I could just snip a piece off. Oh look, it comes right off. Just be careful. Alright, so wait, I think I did the wrong side. Let me open this up. Okay, so they barely make it. I'm gonna try to snip some more, but I'm gonna do it on the trash can. Isn't that cute? So now to this, we need to put the stuff in here and then we could screw it. Let's just check. Yeah, it's working. Okay. We're just gonna fill this. Let's see if that stays. Sort of. Not really. That's alright. Okay. Definitely gonna put the hearts. And hope it doesn't go through the top. I have a feeling, well, no. There is holes in here, so if it do really fine glitter, it might go through there, but I don't think it will. Let's just put a dot of glue just to seal it. See? But I have a feeling that I need to hot glue this piece. I'm going to take this off because I'm going to replace it with something else. So I'm going to seal it and carefully yeah, it was coming through that lid. So let's just, hopefully I can do this quickly. Ah, no. Okay. I hope it's sealed. It's not easy, but I think I'll just put my heat tool there. Alright, so I think We're good. Let me run the heat tool. Don't really see the gold in here. It's like it all settled. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna redo my little holes here so it doesn't look so messy. All right. Oh, my tree is a little tilted, but that's okay. So now we need to decorate. I think I will go ahead and run some glue here, just so it stays, and then I'm gonna cover that. Okay, I hate when I forget to continue recording. But anyway, so I've got this bling here, and I wanted to see, so I think that would look cute.